Hi there, students. What goes around comes around. Okay, this is a proverb that means we will eventually feel the consequences of our actions. The way we treat people will be mimicked by the way they treat us in the future. Maybe directly, or maybe the way other people treat us in the future. He has always refused to help me whenever I've asked, and now he's asking for my help. Maybe I should just not help him. What goes around comes around. No, that would be mean. So this phrase, what goes around comes around, this is like karma. If you do good things will happen to you. If you do bad things, then bad things will happen to you. Okay, so what goes around, to go from you, what you do, what goes out from you, comes around, comes to you, you will receive. Notice, I've also heard this phrase, what goes around comes around, talking about fashion and fashions. So, I don't know, bell-bottom trousers were in fashion, and then they went out of fashion. But I'm sure they'll come back into fashion again. What goes around comes around. So things that go out of fashion will come back into fashion again. Things that were very popular and then stopped being popular will probably be very popular again at some point in the future. So what goes around comes around. Either this idea of fashion or the things that you do to people will come back to haunt you. Maybe you treat somebody badly, and then another person will treat you badly in the future. Okay? And that's the idea of this. I think this phrase is probably semi-informal. You could definitely use this in an informal conversation. I guess you could use it in a semi-formal writing, but not in something very, very formal. Yeah, I think in something very formal you would need to have to explain it. Yeah, so what goes around comes around. It's the same idea as karma. Treat people well and you'll be treated well. Be honest and other people will be honest with you. Steal and you'll have your stuff stolen. Yeah, I guess that's how it works. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. What goes around comes around.